Okay, in this next video, I'm just going to add those couple last pieces that we saw in example 5a, where I want to find my relative minimum and relative maximums if they exist. Looking at my graph here, I have a turning point here, which just so happens to be the highest point in the neighborhood. This is a relative maximum. And this point down here, wherever it is a relative minimum. It's the lowest point in the neighborhood. And that's all I have as far as relative minimums and maximums go, okay? So to find those relative minima and maxima, go to our graphing calculator, go to y equals, type our function in, and our function here, if I'm using my factored form, was x times x plus 3 squared. The graph, and you might have to adjust your window. This actually, the window that I had previously works just fine here, so I might as well just stick with this. I'm trying to find my maximum here, so I go to second calc, maximum, left bound, this is what I'm trying to find, so left bound I go to the left of it, hit enter, right bound we go to the right, enter, yes, enter one more time. So this maximum is at -3. Again, this is really 0, just like we thought it should be. Okay, that's a good sign. And then my relative minimum here, since it is a minimum point here, I'm going to go to second calc. Minimum. Left bound, I just need to be on the left side somewhere, which I am. Oops. Hit enter. Right bound, need to be on the right side somewhere, hit enter. This is really -1, -4. And again, our sketch, this doesn't line up perfectly, so this relative minimum really should be -1, -4, somewhere here. But again, it's just a loose sketch. It gives me an idea of what this graph really looks like without having to have my graphing calculator.